In this video, we're gonna write a C program that can calculate the area of a rectangle, okay? So here we're gonna create a new C file called index.c. Now we are gonna quickly add up we don't really have any boilerplate for C, right? But we need to include some libraries like studio.h. So let's do that. So hash include studio.h. Now we are gonna do int main. Okay. Now, what's the area of a rectangle? It's length into breadth, right? So here we are going to declare two variables, int length and int breadth, okay? We have declared two variables, int length and int breadth. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to take input from the user, okay? So here we are going to put up a print and ask the user to enter the value of length. So enter the value of length and a semicolon. Now here we are going to use a scanf function. Scanf. Now what is a scanf? Scanf function is nothing but it actually takes the input from the keyboard and stores that in a variable, okay? So we need to specify which kind of value is coming in, okay? So it's an integer type, right? So we are going to do %d. %d means digit, okay? Now what we are going to do is a comma ampersand, and we want to store this input in the variable called length because the user is entering the value of length. So here we are going to do length, a semicolon. Now we are going to do the same for the breadth, okay? So here we are going to do printf, enter the value of breadth. Okay, and again let's use the scanf function. Scanf. Now the breadth is also an integer type, right? So here we are going to use %d, and here we are going to do ampersand breadth, okay? Now what we are going to do is, all we need to do is just multiply the length into breadth. That's it. So here we are going to create a new variable called area is equals to length times breadth, okay? I think we need to do int. So int area is equals to length into breadth. I forgot a semicolon here, sorry. Okay, now what we are going to do is just print this area. That's it. So we are going to do printf. Now to print variables, we need to also tell the printf function that which kind of variable we are printing. So as the int is an integer type, the area is an integer type, right? So we are going to do %d and comma. Now make sure that you don't add this ampersand here because we are not declaring variable here. We are just printing the value of the variable, right? Here we are declaring a variable. That's why we have included this ampersand. But here we do not need ampersand because we are not declaring, we are not storing the value, right? So here we are going to do area, and that's it. Let's run this program in the terminal, new terminal, and here we are going to do gcc index.c. Now this program has been compiled, and let's run this executable file. So we are going to do ./a.out. Enter the value of length, let's say 10. Enter the value of breadth, let's give it 20. Now here we got the value 200, which is correct. And thank you for watching, and bye bye.